Did you know that you can use sourdough starter to make fresh lumpia wrappers? Today, I'll show you how I ferment the batter before cooking. But why use sourdough starter? Because it contains beneficial bacteria and wild yeast. By fermenting the batter for several hours, they had time to work on the flour before cooking, creating a more gut-friendly wrapper. Start by adding water and sourdough starter to a bowl. Give it a quick mix to help dissolve the starter. Next, sift in the flour. Sifting helps create a smoother batter with fewer lumps. Whisk everything together until well combined and smooth. Now let's ferment the batter. Cover the bowl and let the batter ferment for about 6 hours at room temperature. This gives the beneficial bacteria and wild yeast time to work on the flour before cooking, creating a more gut-friendly batter. After fermentation, I finish the batter by adding oil and add 2 eggs in a bowl. Whisk it first, then add it into the batter. Mix everything until smooth and fully combined. Oops, I almost forgot the salt. Just add 1 teaspoon. Now I heat the non-stick pan over low-medium heat. Now that it's heated, let's pour our batter. And immediately swirl the pan. This helps spread it evenly like a plate. Let it cook gently until the surface sets and the edges begin to dry slightly. Once it's fully set, I use this silicone spatula to remove it from the pan. And look at that, each wrapper comes out soft, thin, and flexible, perfect for fresh lumpia. I suggest to use a parchment paper so they won't stick and it's easy to stack and use later. Now I'm ready to use my lumpia wrapper. I'm gonna fill it first with lettuce and your cooked meat and vegetable filling. You can use the recipe on the screen or use your own favorite recipe. Then let's roll it up. And finally, we're almost done. I added the sweet garlic peanut sauce on top to finish it off. And for the final touch, top it with roasted garlic and chopped peanuts. And here it is, our finished product. Sourdough fresh lumpia wrapper. This is really good. You have to try it. Here it is. This one is healthier than your regular lumpia wrapper. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe and join me for more sourdough food hacks. But don't go just yet. Up next, I'll show you how I turn the same fermented batter into delicious crepes. All you need is just about a tablespoon of sugar or use a monk fruit for a healthier version. It is. Hold it like that. It's healthier. It's yummy. It's so good.